Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today we will talk about order Decapoda within class Malacostraca, and Malacostraca is within subphylum Crustacea. So this is our group members that consists of four people. The first one is Sanjeevi, the second one is Muhammad Izham, the third one is me, Nur Farawadina, and the last one is Nur Rashikin. So in this video we're going to talk about the main characteristic and their importance for Decapoda. And I'm going to talk about the main characteristic of Decapoda. This is the main characteristic of Decapoda, which is the general one. Decapoda derived from two words which are deca, mean 10, and poda, legs, which mean 10 legs. The first three pair of appendages function as mouthpart, which also called mesolymphates, and the last five pair of thoracic appendages as walking leg. The carapace that cover the dorsal portion of the head and thorax, forming a single functional unit termed the cephalothorax. It has two pairs of antennae, and the first pair bear the special chemosensory structure, and the second pair is often elongated and tactile. Each abdomen segment have a pair of biramus pelopod, and the last form of the tail fin with tailsin called uropod. For our group, we mainly focus on shrimp and lobster. So this is the main characteristic of shrimp. Shrimp has slender with long muscular abdomen. The lower abdomen of shrimp support paleopod, which are well adapted for swimming. The carapace of shrimp is more cylindrical, and the third pair of legs never have claws. And the last one is the abdomen usually have a pronounced hump in the middle. The next one is the main characteristic of the lobster. They look somewhat like a large version of shrimp, and it has a large claw on the first pair of legs and small claw on the next two. Lobsters have a robust leg and are highly adapted for walking on the seafloor. They also use their tail to escape predator, but their primary mode of locomotion is walking. And that's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. I am Muhammad Izham and I will be covering for the importance part. The first one is the importance of shrimp. Shrimp is the sea creature that plays major role in the economy as a demanding food. This is because it is one of the protein sources needed by humans. Therefore, the shrimp farming that has been rapidly thrived is an important source of income, especially in some coastal areas. The ecosystem is where shrimp play an important role in food chain. Shrimp or krill is an important food source for larger animals, ranging from fish to whale. Furthermore, shrimp also provide the cleaning service to the host fish. They provide this service by getting rid of external parasites and fungi, bacteria, and dead tissue found on the skin of the fish. Well, now let's move on to the importance of lobster. This big guy here is a highly priced seafood. This is because it is one of the most profitable commodities in coastal areas where they populate. Lobster is also an important resource of selenium and omega-3 fatty acid. Selenium is what protects us from thyroid disease, depression, and also anemia. Not only that, but lobster can also serve as the main source of protein in meal, replacing meat and chicken. Next is the role in ecosystem. Lobster play key roles in maintenance of healthy and diverse marine ecosystem. For example, spiny lobster is an indicator of coral reef health and biodiversity. Not only that, in terms of research, lobster provide valuable information to understand different marine environments in a changing world nowadays. Furthermore, it can also act as a useful subject and a model organism for many types of biological and ecological studies. And that's all for our group first assignment. Thank you for the attention.